Hello everyone, I'm Mario, an agronomist at LoginEKO, and today I'll explain why we do variety screening in oats and peas and how this exact approach helped us find the best varieties. In our company, we test every variety under real field conditions first, and only then do we sow it on large areas. We believe that's the key to stable and sustainable crop production. Interesuje vas zašto radimo screening graška i ovca? Are you wondering why we do variety screening in peas and oats? Here's the answer. We want to move toward gluten-free production. So, gluten-free. What does that mean? It means we want to focus on crops that do not contain gluten. In this case, that crop is oats, and our other key player is peas. Peas are very important for us because they are the main driver of our crop rotation. They provide us with nitrogen. On these small trial plots you can see here on the side, the varieties are arranged randomly and according to a proper scientific trial procedure. That means we monitor lodging resistance, resistance to diseases and pests, how each variety adapts to our climate, and yield and grain quality. Why do we do this? Simply because we want solid, real data we can rely on. We do all of this with one goal: to choose the variety best suited to our large production fields. And we want to be 100% sure it can perform there just as well as it does in these trials. How do we know variety screening actually works? How do we know this is the right tool for us? Let me give you an example from wheat. We have already gone through this process once. In 2022 and 2023, we tested as many as 25 wheat varieties, and when the results came in, we found that 2 varieties performed very well. Those were BG Icona and Izalco. Both delivered yields above 5.6 tons per hectare. They also had a high protein content, above 13.5%, a hectoliter mass of 81 kilograms per hectoliter, and of course, high gluten content. That means this wheat is ideal for human consumption. What did we gain from that? Through variety screening, we found the right variety, one that delivers both yield and quality in organic production. Why is variety screening important for us and also for you? I'll tell you now. Variety screening gives you information you simply didn't have before. Why does that matter? Just think how many times a poor variety or a poor variety choice ended up costing you a lot by the end of the season. Screening can help with exactly that. It lets you test several varieties on a small area. You can see their resistance to diseases and pests, which gives you a clear idea of what may come later. You can learn how to reduce the risks ahead of you, how to manage the quality the variety can deliver, and in the end, you know that the product you have grown is healthy and high quality for people. And you also know that, in the end, this product can achieve even higher market value. That's why this trial here may be useful to you even more than it is to us. What comes next? This year, we are testing 6 oat varieties and 5 pea varieties, but we are still in the testing phase. We'll wait until we have precise data, then we'll analyze it, and only after that will we draw our conclusion. What conclusion? We want to know, and to be sure, which varieties we will bring into our production fields, and whether we will introduce any of the tested varieties at all. So, what have we concluded from these screening trials? I can tell you this, it is not just theory. It is a practical tool that can help everyone in crop production, because at LoginEKO, we make decisions based on real data, not on assumptions. So follow us if you want to see the results of this trial, how each variety performed, and which varieties from this trial we decide to sow on our production fields. That's it from me. See you next time.